results. All they give us in election is irregularities and rigging. So it's about time the rhythm of the game has to change. You understand? So now, the state political parties will be minded in the state, while the federal will work in federal with interwoven to the state. You see it? From there will be surplus funds to the state. Then, coming to, I've talked about the political parties now. Let me talk about electoral body. Electoral body should be, the INEC should be instantly dissolved. Both the name and the entity of INEC should be dissolved. Then, new formation will be raised. This electoral body will be managed. There will be two kinds of electoral bodies. There will be national electoral bodies and there will be state electoral bodies. These state electoral bodies will be purely independent to the state. We have no business with the federal. Because the activity they conduct is the ones that concern the states. If you are contesting for House of Rep or Senate or President, you can't pass through that state political party. You can't pass through that state electoral body. You will pass through national political party and pass through national electoral body. You understand? Now, the umpires of this electoral body, both the state and the federal, will be managed by the foreigners who are political scientists, who are computer scientists, who are professionals when it comes to election and when it comes to the networking. They will be the people in charge of the engine room. So, but this one is concerned to the state. If a state, a particular state, feels that they have to employ their citizens, the state members, the origin of the state, to be the umpires in their electoral body, that is their own business. If a state prefers to invite foreign expertise to come and manage their electoral bodies, that is their own business too. Now, let me use my state, Anambra State, as a yardstick. Anambra should be allowed to use foreign expertise in our electoral body. Anambra is a kind of a state that is very, very mighty in spirit and very, very big in physical. There are a lot of political technocrats in the state. There are a lot of political scientists in the state. There are a lot of billionaire politicians. There are a lot of influential politicians, dramatic politicians. You understand? So you will see that there is a lot of competition coming from different dimensions and aspects. This one is coming from this angle A. This one is coming from this angle B. The ideologies differs. This one is coming in a dramatic way. This one is coming in a purely political way. This one is coming in a scientific way. This one is coming in a technical way. That is the kind of state we are into, Anambra State. People are diverse when it comes to experience and skills. When it comes to exposition of skills and talent. There are a lot of talent. People need to show their talent. So, and for the fact that a lot of things has transpired in the past concerning the state, godfatherism, rigging, open one and court indictments, working and not working, and impeachment has been experienced in the state when Peter Obi was impeached, and rustigation of the governors, it has happened, and the governor staying only 4 years and losing the second tenure and all that. So we need foreigners, professionals, to be in our INEC, in our electoral body engine room. You understand me? then let there be state political parties, about 10. Let this motion be adopted. Please, it's very, very important, and it's a big solution, because the state will now be able to manage their political parties. You understand? It will help a lot, because I've said it before. People are homogeneous. People are not heterogeneous in Africa. People are homogeneous, which means a particular set of people have similar behaviors and beliefs. Igbos have similar behaviors and beliefs. So, and we have similar experiences and plans and similar skills. So, we can be able to manage ourselves as a state political parties. You understand? They will So, I think I have to rest my case here. Thank you very much. I remain Ezenni Ajikasin.